Meaning of hopping.
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 Hopping. Hopping refers to the act of jumping or leaping repeatedly from one surface to another. This movement is typically seen in animals such as rabbits, kangaroos, and frogs. The action allows them to move quickly and efficiently across their environment while avoiding obstacles. Hopping is also a popular exercise and recreational activity for humans, often using a small trampoline or similar device. Additionally, the term hopping can be used more broadly to describe the act of moving quickly from one place to another, whether physically or metaphorically.